Guys, what is going on? So, one of our subscribers actually commented in one of our recent videos last month about this area. We were in Hyde Park, New York on Route 9, and we came across this cool little historic site. And like I said, this is on Route 9, Hyde Park in upstate New York. If you're ever here, you definitely want to check it out. So we came across this. This is the Franklin D. Roosevelt Historic Site. So we kept driving and we turned around. We had to go check it out. It was late in the day, so we did not get in there, but we did take a cool little drive through there. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. What we're going to try to do is get back down here for a walking tour when the hours are actually open. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. We'll see you at the end of the video. We also got some bonus footage of Hyde Park itself on Route 9, so check that out after we drive through here. We'll see you soon.